So let's see this beautiful custard and jelly fruit salad. So here I've kept 3 cups of water to boil. Now today I'm going to be using this Wakefield jelly strawberry. It's not a sponsored video, but it says that it's 100% vegetarian, there is no gelatin, and it even sets without refrigeration. So I'm using the strawberry flavored jelly. So I've just taken the 2 packets that are there in it and I've mixed them up well together. And now the water has come to a boil. I'm going to switch it off and let it cool for 1 minute. And then I'm going to pour the water into the jelly powder. It says not to pour the jelly powder into the hot water, but to pour the hot water into the jelly powder. Now once I've whisked it in really well, I'm going to pour this into a flat dish like this. And I'm going to let it cool for some time and then I'm going to refrigerate it for about 45 minutes. Now let's prepare the custard. So here I've taken 2 tablespoons of custard powder. Again I'm using Wakefield, not sponsored, but I'm using the vanilla flavor. And again it says over here that there is no egg in this custard powder. So this is a pure veg recipe. So I've taken 2 tablespoons of the mixture and I'm going to add half a cup of cold milk. And we're going to whisk it really well so that there are no lumps. It should be lump free. Now I've boiled 1 liter of milk. I'm going to add half a cup of sugar. You can add even 1 cup if you want it more on the sweeter side. Mix till all of, and now here I'm going to grind a powder of some almonds, pistas and some elaichi powder. I'm going to make a very fine powder like this. We're going to add that powder to the milk and see that all the sugar has dissolved really well. Now we're going to add in the custard mixture and again we're going to stir till it's very thick and it becomes thick within like half a minute. It starts to thicken. So you're going to transfer this mixture to a large bowl and now we're going to add some ice cubes to it. Mix the ice cubes in well. We're doing this because we want it to be in a runny custard and not a set custard. Now I'm going to cut the jelly and I also have some cut up fruit. I've taken strawberries and grapes. You can use any fruits of your choice. And then after that, just with a with a spatula, just loosen it up and you get these lovely jelly squares. Now I'm going to add these chopped fruits. You can add chiku, you can add apples, you can add bananas. I just wanted to keep it simple, so I just added strawberries and grapes. And now I'm going to add the jelly squares. And I'm going to give everything a good mix. Now, to be honest with you, I had made 2 sets of these, and one I was very impatient, so the squares did not form. The other I kept it for a whole 45 minutes, so I used that for decorating. Being honest with you guys, and so I just decorated it with the set jelly squares and the lovely fruit.
And if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up. So just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.